Maraming salamat na po agad sa lahat ng mga bumabate. At masayang masaya si Aliyah dahil naalala niyo ang kanyang birthday. Good morning mga Zooms! Alam nyo ba na ang araw na ito ay para kay Aliyah kasi it's her birthday today! Yay! Maraming salamat na po agad sa lahat ng mga bumabate at masayang masaya si Aliyah dahil naalala nyo ang kanyang birthday. Siya po ngayon ay 8 years old na and meron na siyang sarili niya talagang desisyon kasi kung ano yung gagawin namin ngayon, it's her plan. Ayaw niya ng party. So, pupunta lang kami sa paborito niyang lugar. Kung ano yun, habangan nyo dahil on the way na kami doon. At tignan din natin kung makakapunta ang mga pinsan dahil may pasok. Diba, Mimi? Anak. Ayan, guys, update namin kayo. On the way na kami, dito na kami sa Skyway at wala namang traffic. Kaya agad-agad nandun na kami. You'll see!
Excited to see Lala Chan?
Yeah.
Yeah? We're gonna dance, dance, dance.
Just be yourself and don't make me forget who you are. Just who you are. Be more than my friend and you will get half of my heart. Half of my heart. Give me your best shot, although it's a shot in the dark. Shot in the dark. Name me your future and you will get half of my heart. Half of my heart. Half of my heart is yours if you can make it that far. Are you gonna go deep? Half of my heart is yours if you can get me around. Are you gonna go deep? Half of my heart. Are you gonna go deep? Half of my heart. Are you gonna go deep? Half of my heart. Give me your best shot, although it's a shot in the dark. Shot in the dark. Name me your future and you.
Hindi nga, ako nga ang na-starstruck eh. Hello po, ayan. Nakakita sa vlog. Mag-picture tayo. Sino mo ba pwede mag-picture? Sorry ah. Aliyah is opening na the gifts.
How do you open the top?
Can I see? What is it ba?
your nails how long to cut it? Mom, I'm gonna get a cool.
See you.
I don't know how to open it. Maybe it's the bottom.
It's tape.
It's super duper hot.
Yeah.
But it
Kailangan
was
natin ng
fine.
scissor. I'll just get scissors. You
That
talk to the
has-
vlog muna. What happened today? Lale! Sino nag-gift niyan?
Sky.
Si Skyler. Oh, wow! Oh my God, there's so much inside.
Oh look, I know it. It's my favorite color.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, Skyler.
Ooh,
What else? Can we open the stuff
what's
inside?
this? Can I take off the shoes?
I think
Yeah,
so.
I can.
I think you can remove.
Her shoes are so cute.
Ang laki.
Oh look, look at her head.
Ano yung mga nasa loob?
Open them.
Mga accessories.
It's a
Oh,
pen.
it's boots! Oh, yung boots niya. Tas comb.
Oh, not cold.
Oh, it's all the accessories, Aliyah. Oh,
What's this?
necklace.
It's a bag, Mom.
Ay, bago pa.
I'm just getting off the chair.
Oh,
from
ano
her
to?
hair.
Skirt. So far, nakapantulog siya.
Yeah. I'm gonna take off her gloves. She has gloves.
Ang cute naman yan. Oh, mamaya mo nabuksan yung ibang gift, ha?
Oh, I can take it off.
I'll get ready lang because we're going to the lounge, okay? Wait lang, guys. Grabe, nakita namin si Neshti kanina sa baba. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Ang ating, Olympians ay na-meet natin in person.
Mom, put that photo in your favorites.
Ah, talaga?
So you can
Ikikeep ko
remember
yun, yeah. So I can remember. And grabe yung value, syempre, ng picture namin na
Wait, Mom, is it the one,
Sa kilig.
that one gymnastics?
No, hindi pa natin nami-meet yun. Hopefully, ma-meet natin siya kasi isa tayo ng hotel na pinag-stayan. Pag nag-breakfast tayo tomorrow, Lele, I think mami-meet natin sila.
Wait, is all of them here?
Yeah.
All of them?
Yes.
In this hotel?
Yeah.
What if the gymnastics one can be on this floor? What if it was?
Maybe. Pababa na kami. Nandun na si Mimi at Daddy. Medyo masama yung gising ni Mimi sa kanyang nap. Kaya iyak-iyak siya. Konti lang kinainan kanina sa dinner. Kaya papakainin ko pa siya. Marami pong salamat sa lahat ng bumati kay Aliyah sa kanyang birthday today. Siya po ngayon ay 8 years old na and we are so proud of her kasi very independent po si Aliyah. Actually, itong buong linggo na to, nag-aaral na siya. Meron siyang one-on-one, meron siyang online and hindi na namin siya kailangan pang tulungan dahil kayang-kaya niya na. Lahat ng mga bagay na dati kinakailangan niya ng tulong ngayon, hindi na talaga, guys. Kaya proud na proud kami sa kanya. Kahit papaano, Lele, no, nakaraos tayo. And I hope na naging masaya ka sa celebration mo ng birthday mo today, kahit na simple lang ito. And we are also proud pa din na yun lang yung hiniling mo. Very simple, yet gusto mo lang talagang mag-spend time with your family. So again, mga Zoobs, maraming salamat sa lahat ng bumate, sa lahat ng nanood, at syempre sa ating mga sponsors. Hanggang sa muli po, see you tomorrow for our next vlog. Bye!